Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a quick craft space office tour update. So the last time that you guys saw this desk, it was over there, but I have switched it. So you guys know my makeup vanity is here. So I have limited space as far as like where I can position the desk. So I chose to put it here and I think it's working out fine. This chair and this chair, I mean they're matching chairs, so I think that that is cute. So anyway, I had the desk, lemon desk, lemon tabletop, Alex drawer from IKEA. I'm not really going to go into detail about that because I have a whole video about that on my channel about where I got everything from. I'm just showing you guys the updates. I have a new candle. So I'm currently burning turquoise waters from Michael's. This is all pretty much the same. I think I switched out the bouquets. I think that one was over here last time. So I have this one over here now. My weekly pad rests there. So this is pretty much what I use for pre-planning. And I've just been leaving it right there. And I just whip it out whenever I need to. I have new pens. So cute. It's not going to focus. Nope, not going to focus, but these are so cute. I have a bunch more. So I just have that there for decoration. So I have my Trendsetter Happy Planner and my Spinwell Happy Planner Budget Edition. So I think that was the same the last time you guys saw that. That's the same. I just have some random sticky notes there. This is different because I'm using an Erin Condren planner now. So that rests there. This is different. The last time that you guys saw this, well, first of all, the lid, I broke the lid to my jar, so there's that. But the last time that you guys saw this, it was intact. But I have this little tray here which has some paper clips and whatnot. And then I have my tape runners and tape, a bunch of my pens, my preferred pens, scissors, all of that I use for planning. And then here are some of the other pens that I was talking about earlier. So I have all of them there. That's new as well. That's a little cup that I was sent by one of my friends. This probably looks a little bit different. So basically what I have here, one of my favorite pens, the Papermate Flare. I think my favorite is the Inkjoy, which is not in there. But let me show you in case anybody cares. This one. I don't know if it's going to focus. It looks like it's not going to, but it's the Papermate Inkjoy in 07. So I kind of rearranged the sticker books and I've gotten a few more. Like this one, for example, I won at a planner meetup. Another one was sent to me in Happy Mail. So I've gotten just a couple more. So I have all of them here. I think I have 38 Happy Planner sticker books, or 37. I just counted yesterday. So I have all of my other random sticker books here and some sticker pads from the Happy Planner. Then I also have this little hook that I purchased from IKEA, and it just has some other pins in there. And then this stayed the same, so I'm really not going to show you guys that because that's the exact same. That's a mirror. I mean a mirror. Obviously that's a mirror. That's a lamp. And then those are more pins because pins are life. And then one of our not professional wedding photos, but one of our wedding photos. But as far as this cart, which I purchased from Michael's, Happy Planner sticker books and various other sticker books here. This, I'm trying to organize this, but I think I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Oh, I don't have my ring on. But Erin Condren stickers, Etsy sticker kits, iArtisan stickers, so basically other Etsy stickers, budget stickers, all of the budget stickers are there. It's organized in my brain, but I think I want to get some kind of dividers to make it a little bit more organized because I feel like I can use that space a little better. So I may try to like, what I was thinking I could do is actually like cut up some kind of like cardboard or some kind of poster board or something and kind of DIY my own. So if I do that, I'll let you guys know on Instagram, obviously. And then the bottom is all of my classic Happy Planner accessories and classic Happy Planners. So that's what's at the bottom. So I have officially moved into the Alex drawer. So the last time, I don't think I had any Happy Planner stuff over here, or any planner stuff over here, and now I do. So the first drawer, this is my HP Sprocket. I have my TN stuff here, and then my mini Happy Planner stuff, and then all of my little accessories. In the top drawer, the second drawer, all of my washi tape. Oh, that one's stuck. Oh, I didn't know that came out. I think it comes all the way out. I'm not gonna try it. My Happy Planner pen case, and then all of my washi tapes. I have since expanded beyond that jar. Now I'm here. So a lot of these were gifted to me, and I won them at planner meetups and whatnot, but I have officially expanded. This is all of my camera equipment, and I keep my camera in here as well. And then this is a bunch of random stickers, more random, kind of like the new stickers that I just got, so I can make sure that I use them. And then this is what I'm going to be using for tomorrow's spread, if this video goes up today, which is Saturday, May the 5th. And then those are some budget planners that I want to give away. So that's kind of what's in this drawer. And then more electronics, my wallet that I don't carry, my extension cord that I sometimes use for filming. In a minute, I'm going to show you guys what my filming setup looks like as well. And then glue sticks and markers and just other stuff that I don't really use regularly is in this bottom drawer. So I have officially expanded into the Alex drawer, and I'm kind of sad because I've kind of outgrown my cart, which is kind of sad. So anyway, let me show you guys this that I got in Happy Mail. I thought that this was really cute. Taylor sent me this, and it says, "Girl, you better work," and I think it's so cute. So I have that up there. And I don't know if I want to do more stuff with this whole wall, or if I kind of want to leave it. I think I want to put something here, but I don't know that I want to bother with the rest of this currently while we're in this particular space, while I'm in this space, or while we're in this apartment. I don't want to do too much. So anyway, now I'm going to go set up my studio and show you guys what that looks like. So this is my filming setup, or my plan with me setup. Not much has changed. Same studio lights as last time, same tripod. So this is pretty much just what it looks like. I do have an extension cord now, so I can move them. I have two rather, so I can kind of move them wherever I want because the cords are not that long. So there's that. So this is just pretty much what it looks like, and I can kind of position them however I need to. So I normally don't have them in this exact position. I have them more so like with the lights coming this way. But anyway, this is my setup, and I will be updating you guys as it continues to blossom, I guess. I mean, I don't really have any plans for it to blossom, but I feel like it is inevitably blossoming, even if I don't want it to, because I'm being sent all kinds of stuff and I'm receiving all kind of, you know, free stuff in the mail and whatnot. So anyway, I will definitely keep you guys posted, and if you have any questions, let me know. But if you're interested in like where any of these particular items came from, they will definitely be in my second setup video, or office tour, craft space tour video, and I will link that down in the description box. Bye guys.